Hello guys. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, subscribe my channel and turn the bell button to all. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to create endless runner in Unity. If you are beginner to game developing, of course this is the tutorial for you. By the end of this tutorial, I swear you will become a perfect game developer. And you will get more interest in game developing. Let's get into the tutorial. Select the 2D template. Give the name to your game and create the project. This is the normal starting window if you create a new 2D template in Unity. Click the file. Go to Build Settings, change the platform to Android. Because we are creating game for Android softwares. Go to Asset, and create one folder for sprites. Create one folder for scripts. And create one folder for prefabs. These are all the sprites I am going to use in this game. I will put the sprites in the description. I suggest that you need to create your own sprites.